This is bedroom number 1. Again, beautifully decorated. So you've got a desk over there in the corner, desk and chair, nice large window, lovely double bed, massive wardrobe just here. You get loads of natural light and you have a view looking out. You can see the fountain, river with boats and all that. It's lovely. Show you from over here as well. This is bedroom number 2. Bit larger than bedrooms 1 and 3. Also comes with an ensuite, which I'll show you in a second. You see you got massive amount of wardrobe space there across the entire wall, sliding doors and all that. Double bed here, bedside table, some shelving, window looking out to the courtyard, a desk and chair just here. That door there leads out to the balcony. You can see the balcony in the photos and video for bedroom number 3. I'll show you the ensuite in just a second. So this is the ensuite. So you got a toilet there, just some shelving behind the door. Nice large window as well. Sink, got a mirror there, and then a bath and shower unit just here. This is bedroom number 4. As you can tell, it is the largest in the flat by a long way, and it is stunning. It's got access to 2 balconies. One of them is here. This looks out towards the front of the building, out onto the courtyard. And the other one is just around that corner. Same balcony as bedroom 2 and 3. So you've got chest of drawers just down here, bedside table, large double bed, got 2 armchairs, couple of wardrobes over there, kind of a breakfast dining table, 2 chairs, desk and a chair there, the large mirror over by the front door. It is an absolutely beautiful room.